Good morning, class. This is Teacher Alan. And before welcome, I'm here to take you through mathematics. And we're going to look at how to multiply two-digit number by a one-digit number without regrouping. For example, we have 23 multiplied by 3. For you to multiply this number comfortably, you need to start by knowing the arrangement, the steps, or the direction how you're going to multiply. When you're multiplying, we have two numbers. One is up, that is 23, and one is down, that is 3. Hence, you take the number that is down, which is 3, you multiply by the number above it. So it is 3 multiplied by 23. And this is the order, this is how you're supposed to follow. You take 3 multiplied by the number in one's column above it. Say the number in one's column is 3. It is 3 multiplied by 3, you write the answer. Once you're done that, you get the next number, which is 2 in tens column. So it will be 3 multiplied by 2. You get the answer and write it down. So before you do that, I would like all of you to have a table. You formulate a multiplication table here on your own. And when you're forming that table, you need to know which table are you forming. You are going to form a table of 3. Why? Because we are multiplying 3 by 23. Hence, you form a table of 3. This will be 3 multiplied by 1. We are forming a table. 3 multiplied by 1. This gives you 3. 3 multiplied by 2. You want to get the next answer there. You take 3 plus 3. These are multiples. So if you get the next multiple, you add. This gives you 6. 3 multiplied by 3. You want to get the next multiple of 3 after 6. You just take 6 plus 3. This gives you 9. 3 times 4. Next multiple. That's the answer. You add 3 here. You're going to get 12. 3 times 5. Add 3 onto 12. You're going to get 15. 3 times 6. Take 3, add on to 15. Going to get 18. 3 times 7. 3 plus 18. Going to get the next multiple. This gives you 21. 3 times 8. Add 3 here. This gives you 24. 3 times 9. Add 3 on to 24. This gives 27. 3 times 10. This gives you 30. After I've added 3 there, we are done. You have a table of 3 from 1 to 10. You leave it there. Once you have the table, multiplication becomes easy. And this is how you are going to multiply. So you take 3, they have guided you earlier, multiply by the number in one's column. And this is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 comes to your table to identify 3 times 3. Do you have it? Yes, it is here. You underline it. 3 times 3. Once you have underlined it, you circle the answer. Our answer is 9. You take it and write it here in one's column. So your answer needs to be written there. We have done with the number in one's column. You got the number in tens column, which is 2. This will be 3 multiplied by 2. 3 times 2 comes to the table again. Do you have 3 times 2? Yes, it is there. You circle it, you underline it. 3 times 2. And then you focus on the answer. The answer here is 6. You circle 6. Take 6, write it here down. This gives you 69. So that means that 3 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 3, 23 multiplied by 3 gives you 69 as the answer. Next example, still on the same, multiplication of a two-digit number by a one-digit number without regrouping. We do have 21 multiplied by 8. 21 multiplied by 8. All you need to do, since you know the order, the direction, how you need to multiply, taking the number below, multiply the number above, and the number above, you start with number in one's column, or the number on your right hand side. Once you are done, you go to the next. Having that now, you need to form a table. In this case, is a table of 8. So it will be 8 times 1. This gives you 8. 8 times 2. This gives you 16. 8 times 3. Add 8 here. You get 24. 8 times 4. Add 8 here. You get 32. 8 times 5. Add 8 here. You get 40. 8 times 6. Add 8 here. You get 48. 8 times 7. Add 8 here. You get 56. 8 times 8. Add 8 here. You get 64. 8 times 9. Add 8 here. You get 72. 8 times 10. Add 8 here. You get 80. You have a table of 8. Now you come to your question. Our question was, what is 21 multiplied by 8? You know the order says that, or order dictates that we start with 8 and 1. So 8 times 1, go to the table. Do you have 8 times 1? Yes. You underline it, and then you circle the answer. The answer is 8. Take the answer, you write it there in ones column. Your answer needs to be in ones column. Your 8. You have done it once, give the number in tens column. So it will be 8 times 2. Go back to your table. Do you have 8 times 2? Yes. Underline it. You underline it and look at the answer. What is the answer? The answer is 16. You take the answer, which is 16, and you write it here neatly. So your answer becomes 16, and that is 168 as your answer when you multiply 21 by 8. Next example, the third one. Still on the same. A 2-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit number without grouping. We do have 32 multiplied by 4. Form a table of 4. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40. We have 4 times 2. Look for 4 times 2 on the table. Here it is, you underline it. Once you underline it, you pick the answer. The answer is 8. Circle it and then write it there in ones column, remember, because we're working on ones first. So answer is 8, write in ones column. Once you are done with that, you go to the next number, which is 4 multiplied by the number in tens column. The number in tens column is 3, so it will be 4 multiplied by 3. Go to your table again. Do you have 4 times 3? Yes. You underline it and you circle the answer, which is 12. Take it and write it there to have 128. Hence our answer, 32 times 4 is 128. Thank you, class. That was our lesson. We meet again and we are going to look at a multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with grouping. Thank you.